When it comes to luxury SUVs, the Range Rover stands as one of the most iconic names, synonymous with elegance, power, and versatility. But for some, the standard Range Rover might not be quite unique enough. Enter Overfinch, a British tuning company that's become renowned for taking the luxury SUV to the next level. Overfinch has introduced a bold and refined upgrade package for the Range Rover that stands out for its exquisite attention to detail and jaw-dropping performance enhancements. The star of the show? Its custom-made 24-inch wheels. These wheels, dubbed Helix, are a sight to behold. Overfinch's team has crafted each one from a single piece of billet aluminum, ensuring not just strength, but also precision and elegance. The design features a striking swirl pattern with silver and black diamond-shaped holes, making the wheels one of the most intricate and visually appealing we've ever seen on any vehicle. The 24-inch size adds to their imposing presence, perfectly complementing the bold character of the Range Rover. Beyond the wheels, Overfinch has given the Range Rover a complete overhaul that combines performance, refinement, and style. One of the most eye-catching modifications is the new body kit. The SUV now features flared front and rear wheel arches, giving it a wider stance while maintaining a tasteful and refined look. The addition of a carbon fiber power dome on the hood gives it a more aggressive profile, while a revised front bumper with new intakes and carbon fiber accents enhances the SUV's aerodynamics and appearance. This focus on aerodynamics continues with the sleek new side skirts and updated door panels, all crafted with attention to detail. As we move to the rear, the bold changes continue. Overfinch has fitted a new rear bumper and diffuser package, offering both aesthetic appeal and a touch of sportiness. A new spoiler on the tailgate further enhances the SUV's visual impact. What sets the rear apart even further is the unique reconfiguration of the light bar, now displaying Overfinch's logo, a nod to the tuner's bespoke modifications. Stepping inside the Range Rover, Overfinch has elevated the cabin with a luxurious and sporty aesthetic. The seats, dashboard, steering wheel, center console, and door panels are all upholstered in supple Arancia orange leather, a striking color choice that adds vibrancy to the interior without compromising on luxury. To balance the rich leather, Overfinch has added carbon fiber trim pieces, bringing a modern edge to the cabin and perfectly complementing the SUV's exterior modifications. Of course, no performance vehicle would be complete without an upgrade to its powertrain. Overfinch has taken the 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine and enhanced its performance. The standard Range Rover engine produces a respectable 523 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque, but Overfinch has pushed it to new heights. The tuned version now churns out an impressive 612 horsepower and a massive 656 lb-ft of torque, providing a thrilling driving experience with an unmistakable growl from the new variable valve exhaust system. For those interested in this one-of-a-kind Range Rover, the complete Overfinch upgrade package starts at £104,589, approximately $135,000. Not including the cost of the donor Range Rover itself. While the tuner has yet to confirm whether these stunning 24-inch wheels are available for individual sale, the entire upgrade package promises to elevate the standard Range Rover into something truly extraordinary. Overfinch has once again proven that when it comes to high-end SUV customization, subtlety and sophistication can go hand in hand with bold modifications. The new Range Rover upgrade is a true testament to what is possible when you combine exceptional craftsmanship, unique design, and powerful performance enhancements. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV with some serious flair, this Range Rover by Overfinch is an attention grabber that certainly won't disappoint.